Welcome to Frasa Technologies blogs. We'll be looking at how to create the new ledger in COA Master. Open blog.frasatechnologies.com. In search option, enter create a new ledger and search. Select how to create a new ledger in COA Master. Here you can see the step-by-step procedure with images. In Frasa application, open accounts module, then select account settings, then select COA Master. Here are the existing ledgers which are already created. To create new ledger, click the create button, enter the required details, and then click save changes. Then the ledger will be created successfully. This is the process. Let's see this in Frasa application. Open accounts module, scroll down, select account settings, and select COA master. The ledgers which are already created are listed here. To create new ledger, click the create button in the top right corner. Enter the required details here. Then click save changes. Now the new ledger has been added successfully. This is how to create the ledger in COA master. Thanks for watching.